So in my last video I showed you 3 exercises you could do with dumbbells using a rock as an alternative. Today I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm doing 3 other exercises. All 3 of these exercises today are going to be on the ground. They're going to be for chest, tricep, and a little bit of back. These 3 exercises today are going to be bench press, skull crushers, and pullovers. Alright, the bench press, or the ground press, I guess I'll call it, because I'm not on a bench. So the difference between pressing on a bench versus pressing on the ground is that your elbows aren't going to be able to go all the way down. So pick up the dumbbells, get down on the ground, you'll see your elbows will be right on the ground, and that's, you can't go any farther than that. So press up, so that's with the dumbbells. Now with the rock, same thing, your elbows can't go all the way down. You're going to be holding it in the middle. Now I'm going to do skull crushers. I'll just show you how to do it. There's not much to say. Keep your arms as straight as you can keep them. Bend your elbows, back up. And by keeping them straight, I mean keep your elbows in the same place. With the rock, it's a little more dangerous because you can hit your head easier. So just be careful to be going behind your head when you're doing it. Last, the pullover. I'm just going to use one dumbbell because you only need one dumbbell with this. Now put your hands like a diamond shape and hold the dumbbell like this. Go all the way back until it hits the ground and pull back up. Now with the rock, same thing. You're just going to be holding it on the outsides. That's the end of the video, and I know you can't see everything I'm doing because the camera cuts off some of the edges, and I'm sorry about that, but I feel like you get the idea of what I'm trying to do, so I don't really feel like doing it again. So that's it.